In today's video, I'll show you how to get voice chat on Roblox. If you don't see the voice chat option on your account, don't worry. I'll walk you through the verification process and show you where to turn voice chat on. Let's get straight into the steps. First, open the Roblox app and make sure you're signed in. If you're currently inside a game, leave the game and return to the main Roblox screen. Tap More, then open Settings. From there, select Account Info. You can also do this from the Roblox website by opening the Settings menu and going to your account information. Now, look for the option related to age verification. Depending on your account, you may see Continue with Selfie or another verification option. If you haven't completed age verification yet, select Continue and follow the instructions. If Roblox asks you to verify your identity using an ID, follow the official instructions and use a valid document that belongs to you. If you choose selfie verification, make sure your device has a working camera. Select Continue and allow Roblox to access your camera when prompted. Now, position your face inside the circle on the screen. Make sure you're somewhere with good lighting and that your face is clearly visible. Follow the instructions on screen. Roblox may ask you to move your head or capture images during the verification process. Once the verification is complete, Roblox will process your age information. Voice chat availability depends on Roblox's current age and eligibility requirements, so the option may not appear on every account. After you've completed the required verification, return to Settings. Go to Privacy and Content Restrictions, then open Communication. Look for Experience Chat and turn it on if the option is available for your account. Now join a Roblox experience that supports voice chat. When Roblox asks for microphone permission, select Allow. Once you're inside the experience, look for the microphone or headset icon. If your microphone is muted, select the microphone button to unmute it. You can also open the Roblox menu and go to Settings to check your audio devices. Find Input Device and select the microphone you want to use. Then check Output Device and choose your headphones, headset, or speakers. Make sure your volume is turned up and test your microphone before talking to other players. And that's how you can set up voice chat on Roblox in 2026. Remember, voice chat is only available to accounts that meet Roblox's current eligibility and verification requirements, so there isn't a legitimate way to bypass those requirements. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Roblox tutorials and updates.